Hello YouTube, this is Seismic Sales, better known as Psycho Man on the Whatnot platform. Welcome to the Silver Mine. What you see right now is the background of my Whatnot channel. I'm going to go live in a couple days. I'm just setting it up, but today we're not selling, we're opening. A bunch of packages I got from Whatnot. We'll be right back. Hello brothers and sisters. I would like to first off say thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to everyone who shared my videos, and thanks again for tuning in tonight. We're going to open up 4 packages I got from Whatnot, all from the same seller. Before we start, I'm going to use a knife that I got from Whatnot, and I bought it from Coincrate Official on the Whatnot Live platform. Again, his name is Coincrate Official, sells knives all day and some coins. All right, let's start. I got these 4 packages, all from a guy on Whatnot. His name is Kahok. That was his name. Someone's feelings got hurt, and now he changed his name to Mr. Kahok on the Whatnot Live platform. Go check him out. I will put his link to the Whatnot Live stream below. And let's start off with the first one. I put these in dated order. All right, there's his name in case you guys forget. And I put these in order as received. I'll start off with this one. I got an invoice, so I'll put that to the side for my record keeping. I only got 1 coin this time, and it's a Vader coin. He taped every single flip. We got the Vader coin. No scratches. That was purchase number 1. I'll put him back in your home. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up all the last 3 and I'll put them in 3 piles, all right? I'll be right back. I'm still going to use Official Coincrate's knife. Hey, Fook, one of the coins fell out the flip. Just a heads up. Package number 4. Ooh, double bagged. Psycho Man. Ooh, did you see that cut? Let's do that again. Woo! All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 packages already opened up and ready to go. I did that one already. We'll start on the left. Mr. Kahok had these up for grabs. Johnson Matney, silver bars, proof with the serial number, each individual serial number. Let me see, do they match? 991325, 991326. Yep, 327, 328, 329. Yep, and this is 5 and this is 6. Nice. I love this one. You got to get them in a row. You got to, if you have a chance to see them like this and get them with the numbers, the serial numbers, you got to grab it. Bid responsibly, people. What are these? I got Trump rounds, 3 of these. Trump rounds sitting on a missile, silver shield. Who makes these? Trump 2020 from the Golden State Mint, sitting on a missile. I think that's an airplane in the back. These are part of the Golden State Mint Silver Shield series from 2020. I got 3 of them. Mr. Kahok calls these the COVID rounds because the year is 2020, year of the COVID. See, April 2020. ELA listed on NYSE American Exchange. Let's try the other side. Envela Corporation. They must have been hot. I wasn't paying attention to the news at that point in time, but I got 3 of these. And what else is there? Silvertown Prospector Bar. 999. And it's in a case. I'm going to cut this off, put it in my own capsule. I like the proof finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wall Street bets. I don't know who that guy is. It's got a rocket. I like rockets. 999 fine silver. SGME, SBB. I guess these are stock symbols or equity symbols. BBY. Buy high, sell higher. Wall Street bets. I got 5 of them. Put that over here. And last but least, I got to get a Superman round. These are becoming far and too few. They're becoming more and more limited. 2016 doll hairs. Look at the queen. I think I got about total of 15 of the Superman rounds or Superman coins. If you see my past videos, I think this was one of the very first rounds I bought back in 2023 April. Check the past videos. I love the Superman rounds. Oh, because S stands for Psycho Man, S stands for Seismic Sales, and it also stands for, guess what? Silver. All right, that was package 2 over there. Third package. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. American flag. I wish it was the blue thin line, but either way, I need to pick one up. United we stand, 1 ounce. Proof. American flag, bar. All right, there's this kid out there who I just introduced to silver rounds. He seemed to like it. I haven't seen him in so long. When I finally saw him after like a year and a half, I gave him a few rounds and he fell in love with them. So this is going out to Oliver. Oliver Ollie, this is for you. Who's that? Who's that, Oliver? Apparently he likes Disney. The rounds I gave him were basic rounds. But now that I know he likes Disney, Oliver, Ollie, this is going to you. Steamboat Willie, 1928. I let him play with the rounds. He seemed to enjoy it. So, Oliver, I'll be sending these to you. Hopefully you remember me. I only see you once in a while. So, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Steamboat Willies. Maybe I'll put him in capsules. What do you guys think? He's about 2 years old. You think I should give these to a 2-year-old? Let me know if 2 years old is too young for a child to play with silver. And let me know in the description below, or in the comments below, if I should give it to him like this or put him in caps. Who knows? But he seemed to have fun with it. All right. And third, I bought so much from Mr. Kahok that he threw in a tube. I'm pretty sure he did. I hope he didn't charge me. I don't have to check. I know. He threw this one in because I was buying quite a few. I'm gonna separate these, take them out of the flips, and I'll be right back. 4 more American flags, each sealed in their own plastic. Mr. Kahok, if you can get the thin blue line, I'd appreciate it. I'll probably buy a stack of 10. Okay, that goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1984 Life, Liberty, Happiness, Liberty Silver Round. Made by A-Mark. It's a proof. Shininess. Got 5 of those. I really like this round. I have the Liberty Bell with the crack in it. Liberty, Life, Happiness. You see it? Cool. That night he introduced a new series of rounds coming out that came out. Each one represents a earth, wind, water, and rain. No, rain, water, earth, fire, or one of the others. He's sitting on skulls. I don't know which one this one is. Other side, Punisher skull. Next. This guy is, they're dancing. Maybe that's fire at the bottom. Let's see the other side. Looks like a vault. That's a good picture right there. Until I dropped it. That's a good shot. How about that one? Someone's been working out. All right, next. Third in the series. Maybe this is wind. I have to look it up. It's the other side. What is he doing? Looks like the calendar, the Aztec calendar. But looks like he's got an axe, 4 hands. Maybe he's doing graffiti back in the day. All right, last is the, I don't know. Could be water, could be rain. I gotta do more research. I just know I wanted them. Let's try the other side. Yeah, it's a combination. Oh, there he is. It's a mask with a tongue coming out. He's saying blah. All right, this guy's name is Mr. Kahok on the Whatnot Live platform. Hey, Oliver. Ollie, are you listening? Oliver, up here. I'll be sending this to you in a few days. Ask your mama, where's my silver? And she'll go get it for you. Hey, you guys, check out Mr. Kahok on the Whatnot Live platform. I'll put the link in the description below. Also, I'll put my link in the description below to my Whatnot live stream. If you sign up with my link, you get 10 bucks. I get 10 bucks, and I get a follow. This is Seismic Sales. Thanks again for checking me out at the Silver Mine. Brothers and sisters, have a great day. Have a great week. We love you all. Thank you for all the support. Take care. See ya. Oliver. Good night, Oliver. See you soon.